Hi guys, I'm here at the Whiskey. My name's Kelly, I'm one of the bartenders here. And today we're going to be making the Annie Oakley. So first you're going to need Heaven Hill Bottled and Bond. This is distilled. It is going to go with chocolate and hella bitters. This is a chili bitter, 2 dashes of each. You're also going to need simple syrup for this, and then blackberry puree. We make ours in-house, so it's, very fresh. You're going to start with your tin. A little ice in here. You're going to do 2 ounces of the Bottled and Bond. So this is a family-owned distillery. It created in 1934, so it's been a while. You're going to start there. You're going to put a 1/2 ounce of your blackberry puree. Here, like so. You're going to do another 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And then 2 dashes of each of these. So 1, 2, and 1, 2. I'm just gonna give that a nice little stir here. Righty. Gonna let that sit here for a moment. Grab your little pick. We use Traverse City cherries here. Put that on here, like so. It's there. We're going to strain it in the coupe glass, as so. Just like that. And there you have it, Annie Oakley.